Holy crap, we're going to China.
China has been one of those countries I've been very nervous to visit, whether it's the unfamiliar culture, language barriers, and just the unknown for me. But I finally did it. In this video, I'll share my very first impression on the first night and the first week. Let's just say it wasn't quite what I expected.
Good night from China. It's currently 7 p.m. Just landed. I am so excited to explore this country and see what the people, food, environment is all about. And also, I do have a friend who's Chinese, and we're gonna be meeting him today. Now, one thing I've heard about China is the customs, getting through it. A bit nervous about that. Alright guys, behind me is the customs. I'm officially passed. Took them some time to let me pass, but I'm not gonna lie, they kept asking me questions like, why are you here? Were you born in Iran? And then there was 2 of them, so it wasn't just one of them telling me or asking me. Alright, let me get my baggage. Okay. We made it past through the border. The airport is massive. That's him right there. Bah. Hey. Salam, salam. It's good, bro. I'm just joking, guys. He's not Chinese. He's Persian, but he speaks Chinese.
He's my friend Ali.
Salam, salam. Another friend, Ali. He's also Persian. I'm meeting him for the first time. You live in Shenzhen as well?
Yeah, I'm living here. Yeah,
wow.
For 8 years.
For 8 years? No, I'll bring it, bro. It's all good. No. Mira, bro. Thank you. I got it, bro.
No, it's okay, bro. No.
Okay, that's not cool. Nice. Let's go. Oh my god.
I thought you driving airplane.
Here? What's he doing?
Exchanging the numbers.
Is he getting her number?
Why?
Bro.
My wife is coming. This.
Your wife is coming?
What you wanted to show him?
I'm so confused.
You know what he tell him?
What?
Yeah, he tell him that girl didn't give me her number. What should I do? Ask him. He asked him.
He asked him what should I do?
He asked the information.
Sai is confused how I'm traveling with so little. Literally, like, that's all I have. Can I hear both of you guys speak Chinese to each other?
Yes.
Can you please do it?
哎，说啥呢？
说那个女生。
我跟你说，那个女
啊
的
漂亮
刚刚那个嘎嘎了，我跟你说。
对呀
那身材贼好。
Sai, do you want to sing for us?
你上上上谁上谁？
Is that an actual song?
Yes, it's Chinese song.
Oh, okay.
You میخوری؟
I'm good, merci. بزن. He's offering me a cucumber.
We are heading to downtown Shenzhen to have some dinner. Because it's Friday night. I wanna bring you to the crowd from the first day.
Alright. Where are we, Said?
We are in
The center.
of Shenzhen. We are going to the...
Woo! Oh, okay. Damn. So we're near where exactly, bro?
This is just center of the Shenzhen, and there are some
Center
bars.
of Shenzhen.
Yeah.
When I tell you don't take power bank, because here we have power bank everywhere.
Everywhere you can
You can scan it
just for.
and you take your power bank from here and you put it somewhere else, because they have everywhere this box,
20 cents
Wow.
So
per
you
hour.
take it here.
20 cents per hour?
This is called KTV. They come here. They have some private rooms and singing karaoke.
KTV.
Yeah.
Oh, this is like karaoke.
There are QR code everywhere, so everything is done by
There is-
QR code.
You don't need to order to the waiters or anybody. It's everything.
You choose everything, you order here.
Yep.
This is a special sauce. Alright, we got the food on the barbecue right over here. So the way it works is that you come here, like grabbing it. There you go. Put it down in the sauce. You mix. Shout out to the man working hard. Thank you, bro. How do you say thank you in Chinese?
谢谢你。
谢谢你.
He say no need, thank you.
No, of course I need to say thank you.
No, he say no need, but you need.
But you need, of course. We in China. China. Look at this view. I love this. I mean, it's not a crazy view, but it's kind of cool. I'm in like this little patio spot, just standing and chilling. Alright, let's head out. So I'm currently staying at a hotel right now, and this place actually costs pretty much $22. But look at that. China, China, China. If you told me last year you're gonna be in China, literally in January, I would not freaking believe you. Okay, now first things first, I'm sure you've already seen my first impressions of China, and so far it's been great. The people are lovely. Honestly, the infrastructure of Shenzhen is amazing. I love the nature, I love the beauty. Like, look at this sidewalk that I'm walking through right now. It's like a little bit trippy. China does seem to be a different game, you know, when you come here, literally nobody speaks English. You know, setting up your things takes longer. I was getting my SIM card the other day, and she took like 45 minutes to set it up because they don't really see foreigners, at least for where I am currently. And so it took her so long to set up. Obviously, if you get in the airport, it should be a lot shorter because they expect foreigners, I'm assuming. But yeah, it's just, you can really tell there's a lot less people traveling here. And honestly though, like, if you come to China, I think you're gonna have a blast. It would be very ideal if you have a connection or if you have a friend who lives here. But if you don't, I still think it's doable. You know, many people have done it. And currently, I am walking to my buddy for us to start taking the metro to Shenzhen, to the downtown city. Right now we're in Dongguan. Today's a beautiful day, beautiful weather. You know, it's kind of chilly in China. It's definitely not hot. I've been in the hot and heat for the past like 6 months, so when I came to China, I was like, oh wow, I'm finally starting to feel like Canada again, you know? Because it gets definitely cold here, but not as cold as Canada. Alright, not gonna lie, one thing I'm loving right now is the streets, how clean they are. At least from my point of view, from what I've experienced so far, the streets seem fairly clean, fairly nice, and it's kind of giving me a local vibe, you know? It's I feel like a part of a community as I'm walking through these streets. Yo, Said.
Yo, what's up?
What's good, bro?
Good? Yeah, come in.
With my guy Said. Been here for 18 freaking years.
19.
19. Make that 19. 19 and a half months, huh?
Yeah.
How many months? Add that in there too.
Half months and 2 weeks.
And 2 weeks.
3 hours.
And 3 hours and how many minutes?
18 minutes, I guess.
18 minutes. Okay. But yeah, we're gonna be going to downtown Shenzhen together, exploring the city a little bit. Said's showing us around, as well as seeing the people. Not sure what Said's doing here.
Hey, Lava.
Look at that.
He's my high school friend.
Your high school friend?
Yeah.
Wow. Nice to meet you. Arman. Nice to meet you. Can I get one? Can I get one too? Thank you very much. All right. Nice meeting you. Bye bye.
His hand was wet.
His hand was wet. Should have just fist bumped him, I guess. But yeah, let's go to downtown, take the metro together with Said, and go explore the city. Alrighty, we made it. What I love about Chinese metro or China metro is it just looks very modernized. It's also built in a way that you can't just jump off. If you're feeling down in life, you can't just jump out of the metro. Said, do you want to give us a speech? So we're currently in the metro, obviously, and Said's saying there's like a first class where you pay a little bit more and the seats are more comfortable. So we're going to the VIP spot now. You pay 10 yuan more. Okay. We got.
So that one, I don't want to sit like.
Okay. Wow. So it's like nice seating. We got like a little TV screen showing us the news. And we got the seats over here. And it's quite empty, to be honest. There's not many people.
Do you know what is this?
What is that?
Not to spur the noise out of this area, like for people who live outside.
Oh. I don't know if you guys saw, but there were covers that were glasses. And Said's saying the reason they have that is because they want to cover the noise so it doesn't go outside. And obviously it's glasses because they want you to be able to see outside so you don't feel like you're suffocating. This is so freaking nice. So the subway's over there, and now we're gonna go eat something. Just ordered some food. What is this called, Said?
Noodle.
That's it?
Yes.
Let's see what we got. Got some meat. We got, what is that? Wow, these are fat noodles. This is, I think, the best noodle I've ever had.
Every time you say the same when I take you from.
Because I'm so impressed by Chinese food, bro. So wherever Sai's been taking me, I said this is the best noodle I've ever had. This is the best food I've ever had. And the truth is, it's literally because Chinese food has been so flavorful and top tier for me. I just finished food. Hands down the best noodles. 谢谢. 谢谢. I didn't hear me. Hands down the best noodles I've ever had.
Here.
Are we gonna go this way? Okay. We're finally out. Really loving the Shenzhen vibes though. I mean, you have the high skyscrapers. You got the bicycles over there you can rent out. You got people's bikes parked over there. Surprisingly, although it's crowded, it doesn't feel very noisy here. Said, is that one of the tallest buildings in China?
Yeah.
That's the 4th tallest building in the world. What is this building called?
Ping An Tower.
Penang Tower. Alright, just made it to the barber shop.
秀一点往上。
I don't know what he's asking, but I agree. So apparently this barber shop is known for it to be more high class. Nice place. Alright, Said and I just got a haircut. Now Said's taking me somewhere because he wants to sing for us. Perhaps somewhere where it looks nice to sing. Said, tell us a little bit about this place.
This is one of the highest towers in the world, and it's like 120 floors. It calls Ping An Tower.
Where are we, Said?
So this area calls Coco Park. Why they call it Coco Park? Because this shopping mall's name is Coco Park. But when people tell you like we are going to Coco Park, because this area is the area of the bars and clubs. So
Yeah.
usually when people want to hang out, they say, okay, let's hang out in Coco Park or let's go in Coco Park.
First thing I see is very nice buildings, very nice designing. That's a very nice car. Legos.
The new is one of the Chinese famous brands.
Yeah, that looks better than the Tesla for sure.
What is Tesla? Come on.
That's Chinese Rolls Royce. Wow. Screen here, controllers, screen. Let's check this out real quick.
Let's go outside.
How much does this cost, Said?
This is around like 60,000
60,000
Canadian.
Okay. Guys, check this out real quick. This is a mall, right?
Yeah, this is a mall. It calls like Coco Park, or in Chinese they call it like Go Gongyan.
They got outdoor restaurants, outdoor cafe.
Restaurant, outdoor cafe.
Wow.
And they got cinema. They got
That's
playground,
beautiful.
And there is down there. Can you see down there?
What's going on
They
here?
do some activity every weekend. They do different activity down
Wow,
there.
there's so many people over there. What's happening over there? I don't know what's going on there. Holy crap. This is the biggest lineup I've ever seen for bakery. Ni hao.
番薯就是
Ni hao. Hello.
My name is Koi.
Mede koi. What is that?
Koi. My name is Koi.
Oh, your name is Koi. Koi.
Koi.
Cake.
Oh, cheesecake. They're giving out samples for cheesecake. Let's try it.
好吃
That's really good.
Very
very very good
Can you say subscribe?
subscribe
Subscribe. There it is, Shake Shack. All right, we just ordered our food. The burgers are being made. This place is so freaking nice and lively. Thank you, brother. Came down to 160 yuan. All right, we just made it to a bakery called Xing Mei Lei. All right, let's check it out. What do they got going on here?
I really don't understand.
They have spaghetti sandwich?
Spaghetti sandwich.
That's crazy. Alright, just took up the ukulele. Sai's gonna sing for us. We're gonna vibe inside this mall. Spread some love and joy.
Love I, younger love I, single birds, single birds, single all the birds, single birds.
This is just the beginning. I've got a lot more coming your way, from unexpected adventures to culture shocks and amazing local experiences. So if you're curious about what it's really like here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you till the next one.